Okay, so
Bigger and make up.
when we get ready, I'll pull the hammer back, I'll set the trigger, then all you gotta do is touch this guy off, okay? Okay, now one important thing is like you never aim at anything unless you're gonna eat it, okay? But we're not gonna eat anything, we're just gonna shoot it up in the air, okay? Okay, so you can trust me. So come into here.
Trust me.
Okay, so here we go. Don't pull that trigger until I say so. All right, no, there really shouldn't be. So it tells you what, slide it under your arm for me. I got you. Okay, hand away from that hammer. There, you got that? Give her all you got, dude. 1, 2, 3. Do both fingers. Do both fingers. Yeah, both fingers. Can you get them up in there? You can slide it up a little bit. It won't bite you. Hold on, hold on. Okay, you pulled the set trigger too. Okay, hold on. Let's see what we got here. Okay, now you go. She'll touch. Off. Go ahead. Yeah, don't put your eyes too close to that. Go ahead. Pull her hard. Oh, you're pulling the set. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get underneath you. Okay, now we're good. Keep your fingers off of that trigger. Now we're in business, dude. Go ahead. Yes, sir.